Are you trying to plan a kitchen layout for your home? A modern kitchen is characterized by a clear line with straight surfaces and shapes of the furniture. In this video, we'll explore the key elements of modern kitchen design, from layout options to materials, appliances, and organization possibilities. Let's dive in! In modern kitchens, there's a shift towards clean lines, metal surfaces, and unique colors that deviate from traditional styles, ultimately increasing home value. Laminate or vinyl floors with wood or stone looks replace traditional tiles, and new appliances with high-energy efficiency classes and indirect lighting add a modern touch. When planning your kitchen layout, you'll likely come across the term kitchen grid. Fitted kitchens use standardized and permanently attached modules, with widths of 40 cm, 60 cm, or 80 cm. Accurate measurements, considering projections and corners, are crucial for a true-to-size floor plan. There are three main kitchen layouts: L-shaped, U-shaped, and G-shaped. L-shaped kitchens suit various room sizes, U-shaped kitchens are ideal for larger spaces, and G-shaped kitchens work well in large open rooms, featuring an additional short kitchenette. The peninsula. The surfaces of kitchen furniture, known as kitchen fronts, come in various materials like melamine resin, foil, lacquer, or glass. Worktops, typically made of chipboard or natural stone, should be sturdy and easy to clean. Materials not only affect aesthetics, but also impact how easy it is to maintain your kitchen. Wood, concrete, and stainless steel are popular choices for kitchen materials. Wood adds a natural and lively character. Concrete is versatile and durable, and stainless steel creates a seamless modern look. Consider the right material for each element to ensure both visual appeal and practicality. Door handles open a world of design possibilities. Materials like metal, aluminum, or porcelain, along with various designs, can enhance the overall look. Handleless kitchen cabinets are also an intriguing alternative, often used in elegant, minimalist kitchens. Built-in appliances, including ovens, refrigerators, and sinks, are vital to your kitchen plan. Consider the technical functions you value, such as induction stoves or self-cleaning ovens. The choice between built-in and freestanding models can impact both function and aesthetics. Backsplashes protect walls and add visual appeal. They can be made of various materials, including custom-printed options. Lighting is crucial for both atmosphere and functionality. Direct light sources above the stove and worktop, under cabinet lights, and strategic lighting in various cabinets can transform your kitchen. Organization is key for a comfortable kitchen. Cutlery inserts, inner drawers, and special sensors for touch-open cabinets enhance functionality. Corner cabinets are also excellent for maximizing space. Proper organization systems ensure you make the most of your kitchen space. Planning a modern kitchen involves careful consideration of layout, materials, appliances, and organization. By understanding the various options and finding the right balance between aesthetics and functionality, you can create the kitchen of your dreams. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more home design tips. Thanks for watching.